The White Blackout Drapes LQ-37 by Homechoice Decor are expertly designed to block a substantial amount of sunlight and ultraviolet rays, ensuring your furniture remains vibrant and your privacy intact. These curtains are adorned with handmade ruffles and butterfly flower accents, which add a touch of elegance and artistic flair to any room. They provide excellent thermal insulation by retaining indoor heat during winter and blocking out heat in summer, helping to maintain a comfortable room temperature year-round. The curtains come in a set of 2 panels, each measuring 54 inches in width and 84 inches in length, and feature a 3-inch rod pocket for easy installation and a seamless look. Durability and ease of maintenance are key features, as these drapes are machine washable and made from materials that meet high safety and environmental standards. These drapes not only enhance your room's aesthetics, but also contribute to a quiet and serene environment by reducing external noise.